Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today. This video is we are going to share the freebies that I got from William S. First fan meet in Manila na freebies that I got from William S. First fan meet in Manila. So I'm going to share this with you right now. So first up is from Every Bilena because Every Bilena sponsored this event from free bedazzled retouch area para pag nakipagkita sa ganyan, maganda ka. And this huge photo strip. Nagulat ako na large photo strip siya, guys. Kasi, look at it. Look at large photo strip. Akala ko yung lang, yung parang sa Kawa Jane. But it's very huge though. This is what I like also. Talaga. And it's very huge. Another thing, someone gave this to me. This is a Jasper pillow, guys. Dito kasi, mostly mga freebies kasi mixed na. Kasi ang dami ko nakita ng mga dolls. Mostly William S. fans are Lukunu, are Gemini 4, Ponpo, Wimpert, Santa. Yun, mixed. Diyos gawin, may Diyos gawin pa nga ako nakita. Pero majority, 50% Lycan fans sa William S. Then next up, this is their official banner. Etong official banner nila, ganito siya kasing size, same as the Pebaka na Pebaka fan meet. Then, photo card is here. Ayusin ko pa yan kasi, you know, ang dami kong ang daming namigay na hand banners all throughout with this one. Oh God, ang daming bigay na hand banners. Meron ditong Jungdank. That's the first heart killer. Ito yung kanilang. Oh, ito yung Somsoms. Jungdank. Ayan, ito yung kanila. Ito. Keep it. Ito yung Wesley. This is Wesley. Hindi ito yung official banner. Maganda yung design niya. Wesley. Then, inapit ko lahat ng mga banner. Ang daming namigay na banner ngayong araw na to. Natadtad na ako ng mga banner. Wait. May banners kasi sobrang dami. Actually, ito yung pinakamaraming banners ng William S. 1. Marami talaga silang banner na pinabigay. 1, 2 na yan. Ito yung pa Spider-Man. 3. 4, 5. Ang dami. Ito yung ayan, si Esupa. 6. I'm so lucky to have you. Then this is another Spider-Man. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Actually, 13. 14. 15 hand banners nito. Mas maraming hand banners ito. Tinalo pa siya, 16. And ito yung kanyang newspaper. This is, ayan, yung maganda siya, detailed siya with this one. This is very unique sa lahat. Then may pa-webs pa. Then iwalay ko yung mga sticker. Then of course, hindi mawawala tong headband ng William S. Then there's 3,000 pesos from William S. 3,000 pesos. Republika ng GMMTV. Ayan kasi may lyrics ng Love Echo. Then meron pa, actually, 14. Then ito yung mga picture nila. Then ito ang pinaka-iconic sa kanila. May keychains nila na buttons. Then, $1. So, Milk Love lang ang walang ganito. As far as I remember. And this is an invitation. Parang invitation ng kasal to. Hayop na to. Invitation ng kasal. Then there's a calling card in here. Hahanapin ko pa kasi napakadami nila. Okay, this is a photo strip. May photo strip dito. May mga stickers dito. Ayan, yung mga ganito. Then there's a bottles in here. Then, ang dami. I will give some to my friend. Ayan. May Wesley pa. Mga ganito. Then, of course, ang pinaka gusto ko dito, sa mga freebies na nandito is this wipes. Namigay sila kanina ng beng-beng. Wala na yung mga beng-beng dito. Kinain ko na, Darlie. Kinain ko na yung mga beng-beng. Tsaka to. Alcohol and wipes. Very essential. I love it. Kasi this is the 5th time. Kaya special siya. So, difference for 5. Baka gusto kong, ang unique lang ng giveaway nila, ang pinaka na, doon, tumatak sa akin yung salon pass. Putsang salon pass. Salon pass, yung nila, pag-giveaway nila. Pa-freebies nila. Sa Milk Love, yung kanilang wipe cleaner sa iPad. Sa Emmy Bonnie, yung pick ng gitara. Yan yung tumatak talaga. Yung pick mismo ng gitara. And dun sa Cow Jane, edi yung photo booth. Tapos meron din yung nakalimutan ko yung meron dun. Nakalimutan ko yung isang favorite ko dun. Basta yun yung photo booth. Then dun sa sa William S. is wipes and this one. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this vlog and I hope that you like to see this video. Bye guys.